Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Lexus NX300 engine air filter. First, gather your tools, including a new air filter and a screwdriver if needed, to access the housing. Make sure your engine is completely cool before you begin any work. You'll find the engine air filter housing located under the hood, usually a large black box. This simple maintenance task can significantly improve your vehicle's performance and fuel efficiency. Now that you've located the housing, you'll need to unclip or unscrew the fasteners holding it closed. Many Lexus NX models have two metal clips that you simply loosen. Once the clips are released, gently lift the top of the air filter housing. Before you pull out the old filter, take a moment to observe its orientation. This will help ensure you install the new one correctly. With the housing open, carefully remove the old, dirty engine air filter. It might be a gray or black color if it's very dirty. Take a moment to clean out any debris or dirt that may have accumulated inside the airbox. Now, insert your new air filter, making sure it sits flat and matches the orientation of the one you just removed. Ensure the lip of the filter is seated properly around the edges for a tight seal. Once the new filter is in place, securely close the air filter housing, ensuring all clips are latched and any screws are tightened. Double-check that the cover is flat and not loose. A clean engine air filter allows your engine to breathe properly, which can lead to improved engine performance and better fuel economy. This simple DIY task can save you money and keep your Lexus NX300 running smoothly. For more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to look at the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.